Sun, the ultimate source of energy. The life on Earth is due to sun. Sun provides a huge amount of energy daily, but only few can reach to the Earth, and others are left in the vast space in the solar system. We humans are much more advanced now. We have made many of the things which have changed our life, and plastics are one of them.
Everyone uses plastic nowadays. Plastic are widely used. They are also used in food packaging because they are sustainable and cheap and they are non-decayable. So they are the headache for us. Plastics are everywhere in the earth. Every field of the earth is covered by plastic. According to the record of the Central Bureau, about 2.01 billion metric tons of plastic is found. It's generated worldwide. Some researchers have given the solution to solve this problem. Some said throw them to the volcano, and some other said just dig a hole and put it in, and some of them said just throw it in a rocket to the sun. Wait, in the sun? That could be a nice idea, right? So, here, the sun is 14 crore kilometers far from us, and the approximation says that about 13 lakhs of the earth can be fitted into the sun, and the surface temperature of the sun is about 5005 degrees. What? And the corona has the temperature of 6000 degrees C, 20 lakh degrees. That's amazing, right? The corona has the highest temperature than that of the surface of the sun. So it gives the conclusion that if we are able to throw the garbage to the corona of the sun, then we can obviously exclude the garbage from our earth. So can we throw the garbage from here to the corona of the sun? That's the big question. So the heaviest weightlifting rocket till made is Falcon Heavy rocket, which is made by SpaceX company. Falcon Heavy can weigh up to 63 tons of the weight to the space. But the cost of Falcon Heavy is very high, $90 million. So no country will be able to spend their $90 million on this garbage. This is the most advanced rocket till now which can lift the most heavy weights into this space. So will anyone spend their $90 million? If let some country do that, then the $90 million of them are wasted in this garbage. So can we succeed? But if we fail, then it can be misleading content to the whole earth. If we failed in the atmosphere, then it could build more space junks. There are a lot of space junks in the space, in the atmosphere of Earth. But if it also goes there, then it could be misleading to us. It could make some troubles. It could destroy our satellites and can make a huge trouble to humans. So if we think we are lucky enough, then can we make it to the sun? So let's check out the history. Before we reach to the Mercury, the first planet of the solar system, we have just finished the research on the giants, the gas giants. We have reached the moon. We have sent the man to the moon, but till that point we haven't explored the Mercury. So you can know how difficult it is to get the probe to the Mercury, because the sun's gravity is also pulling it towards it, and controlling the vehicle, controlling the rocket satellite is much more difficult than you think to when you are moving towards the sun. So no one will do that much of hard work to get your garbage into the sun.
lot of tough work. And the garbage can be managed well by us right now by a simple method. Do you want to know what the method is? It's much more simpler and can be used by everyone. There's 3R technique: reduce, reuse, and recycle. Just use the formula to collect the garbage, to reuse the garbage, and to produce low amount of garbage and save the nature. So this is it, guys. Thanks for watching.